Have you ever seen this annoying STAAD error that ST parameter is missing and this command is ignored? Don't panic. This one small setting could be the reason your seismic design even considered. So let me explain why and how to fix it under 3 minutes. See, basically this error is telling you that STAAD cannot calculate the seismic forces because you are missing the ST parameter, which stands for structure type. See, according to IS 1893-2016 Part 1, Clause 7.6.2, the natural period of the structure depends on the type of the building. For example, ST1 is for the moment resisting frames without brick infill. ST2 is for the RC frame with brick infill, and so on. But here is the catch. If STAAD doesn't know your structure type, it can't calculate the natural time period, and it simply skips the seismic command and silently ignoring your input. Now let's understand how you can fix this. So step number 1 is go to the seismic definition in STAAD Pro, double click on your seismic load definition, then look at the ST parameter. You'll notice this is blank. You can select the generate option and correct the structure type from the drop down list in the updated version, or in the older version you have all these parameters as you can see ST1, ST2, ST3 as per your building's behavior. Alternatively, if you are editing manually in the input file, just type the following syntax as I mentioned over here. So replace your ST2 with the right one for your building type based on your structural category. So there you go, a simple ST parameter was blocking your entire seismic definition from working. So always cross check your load definitions, and if you are learning STAAD or preparing for IS code based seismic design, hit that like button and follow for more structural tips like this, because small errors lead to big consequences in structural engineering. And always remember, don't just learn software, learn concepts. I'll see you in the next video.